Example 2 iri kuti the universal set is the set of all cars. R is the set of all red cars and F is the set of all cars with 4 doors. Show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars which do not have 4 doors. So before we go anywhere, zviri kuita senge in this question hapana anything about a complement, because in the wording of the question hapana kutaurwa about complements. So that is mathematics for you. Sometimes the question is actually found in between the lines. So if we construct a Venn diagram from the information we are given, we might see that actually this question is asking about complements. But before we construct a Venn diagram, what we do first is we gather the data, we collect the data. Sakati, we harvest the question. So tiri panapa taudzwa isusu kuti kudini, kuti universal set yedu is the set of what? All cars. Anditi Lamborghini, Tesla, Mazda, Toyota, whatever. That's the universal set. Then tikaudzwa kuti R is the set of all red cars. So R is red cars. That is it also. And F is the set of all cars with 4 doors. Saka pa F togona ngoti 4 doors. Like this. Ndokubva zvanzi, show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars which do not have 4 doors. Show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars which do not have 4 doors. So tikadai so pana takuisa chi the Venn diagram like this. We have a set subset R, then we have subset F. We are going to assume kuti pane interaction. Then tikaverenga question yedu iri kuti we have to show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars which do not have 4 doors. Saka in essence question yedu iri kuvhunza chi? Question yedu iri kuvhunza complement. But the complement of chi? Let us look more closer on our question. There are 2 ways of going about this. I want to show you all the ways. But you have to pick your poison. So communicate to me kuti ndepi nzira yamunoona iri most beneficial. So kana tiri panapa manje, zvatichaita ndezvekuti taudzwa isusu kuti we have to show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars which do not have 4 doors. Saka tichatanga tasheda region ine all red cars. Saka all red cars angari munomu. Remember tichipinda futi nepa intersection up. Saka this is all red cars. Maybe for the sake of clarity, let me use a different color. Saka takusheda the set of what? All red cars. Like this. Then tasheda the set of all red cars. What we have to shade next is question yedu yabva yati the set of all red cars. Saka tasheda all red cars which do not have 4 doors. Saka let us now shade region yezvinhu zvese zvisina 4 doors. So what are we shading now? Saka kunoku of course hakuna 4 doors. Kunoku hakuna 4 doors huku. Like this. But mu intersection 4 doors dzirimo saka timu shade. Then of course mukati ma F 4 doors dzirimo saka timu shade. So it's like this. It's like this. You see? Saka tiri panapa, our answer actually will be the cross shaded region. Saka the cross shaded region ndochi, that is our answer. This cross shaded region is actually representing all red cars without 4 doors, zvimatudo, like this. So that is what we do. And answer yedu tinoipresenta sei. Saka unonga wangoti the cross shaded region apa paubva wati represents, so instead of it represents all red cars without 4 doors. I hope zvaanzwisisika zvina kuconfusa. Insert notation zvatiri kuwana panapa, it's actually R intersecting F complement. Ndo question yacho. R intersecting F complement. So before I explain further zvanga zvichiitika panapa, let me try to introduce you to my second method. So nchangozomakwanidzira panapa kuitira kuti zvizokombeka. Saka we have R, we have F. Kanzi tishedhe isusu region yemota dzered asi dzisina 4 doors. You understand? Saka isusu we know kuti mota dzered ndemuno including intersection. Ndo boundary yemota dzered. Taona kuti isusu ndiyo boundary yemota dzered. Takuda mota dzered dzisina 4 doors. Saka mota dzine 4 doors dziri dzered dzinowanikwa muintersection muno. Kureva kuti basically our answer should be a region kanaka like this. Saka through logic, reasoning, you get to this answer. Just internalizing the information and start to imagine it. R ari kurepresenta mota dzered, F ari kurepresenta mota dzine 4 doors. But question yati tishade region ine mota dzered dzisina 4 doors. Kureva kuti we have to avoid intersection, because chinoreva intersection inoreva mota dzered dzinenge dzine 4 doors. So if we avoid that, then we shade inside the set of R, tinenge tatowana our answer. Or this first method, which is more technical now, ndeyekuti pataudzwa isusu kuti show on a Venn diagram the set of all red cars. Saka pa we have set of all red cars. Tatanga tasheda the set of all red cars nema horizontal lines. Then zvanzi which do not have 4 doors. Saka panapa do not have 4 doors. Ndobva tasheda everything chisina 4 doors. Ndokuona kuti umu mukati hamushedhewi because ndo mutori mudomain me4 doors. Then intersection panapa pashedhewi because umo mune mota dzine 4 doors asi dziri dzered. Saka pasangana malines at the set of all red cars nemalines at the set of all cars which do not have 4 doors, that region represents the answer to our question. Saka of course when you are shading, or when you opt method 1, be sure kuti pamwe unopa shader with vertical lines, pamwe with horizontal lines, kuitira kuti pave ne cross shaded area. But if you have reasoning power, you can just go straight to the answer. So that is our second example. Mwanafuzi. That is our second example.